Is it possible to remove it from here? I don't know. Is this supposed to be? Help, guys. After being sold out, after cancellations, I finally got it. So let's unbox it. I just got back from work, so I'm like very tired to do the recording thing. Maybe I'll try it later. But now, let me just unbox this. I'm really excited. If you can't tell. So I don't know how I'm feeling, to be honest. Like, I was really hyped for it that I was here, and I'm like, okay. We have this bag and this, and then random bits. I'm guessing the manual, whatever. Okay, I think this is the case. Now the main style of the show. Guys, I bought accessories for this camera weeks before I even ordered it. Like, before I even planned to get it, like, I already ordered the accessories. Like, that was me using faith to buy it. Ooh. It's so tiny and cute. Like, it is the perfect size, literally. What? Oh my god. So I'm guessing I have to look at what it is. So we have the Osmo Pocket 3, the protective case, the what is this? The battery handle. Okay, this is the battery handle. The what's this? Handle with no, that's not it. What is it? Handle with one. What is this, I beg? Handle with 1/4 thread. How does it look like the battery handle too? Like, does it come with 2 battery handles? The mic. Like, everything is so small. Oh my god. Mini tripod. Like, this camera is my size camera, literally. Like, it fits me. It is cute. The charger, I'm guessing. The cable, Type-C cable. And the what is this? The wrist strap. The mic windscreen. How do I attach this? Got it. Wow. And then this carrying bag. We're going to try to turn the camera for you guys to see everything. So this is everything that comes in the creator combo. So if this is everything in the combo, what's in the normal one, the one that is not combo? Now, after getting my air fryer, I learned the importance of reading manuals that come with products. So that's what I'm going to do. I got screen guards for everything. Sorry. Oh, so I don't know. The lens is here. I'm confused. I know I can see the lens here, but like, is it possible to remove it from here? I don't know. Is this supposed to be out? Help, guys. Also, there are some stickers here. No, where am I supposed to put this? Reminder, guys, if you have this camera, make sure you buy the care refresh thing, just in case anything happens. You can get a replacement for it. So I do need to order the SD card. Did not order that. So I'm just going to attach the screen protector I got because I don't like living life with no care. Literally, sorry, protecting that thing, even if there's a care refresh on it. Sorry. I have to be careful. It came with the one for the lens too. I'm trying to see the camera lens thing. I think it comes off, but how does it come off? So while unboxing my camera, I later found the wide angle lens. Because it was very small, it was in one corner of the bag. But then I recorded the video, but I can't seem to find it, so this is me recording it to add it to the edit. So I already attached it to the camera. Okay, it just goes in there like it's magnetic. And also the microphone magnet, the one that you put under your shirt or whatever, and then attach the microphone with. So here it is. It's also very, very small. So yeah, I think this will be my first YouTube video. I don't know how YouTube works, but yeah, I'll try and I will see. So some of the accessories I got for my camera is this magnetic mount with a round whatever, and also this hand mount to like just to hold it like this. So this is it. Let me show you guys how it works. Okay. It goes in just like that, and then I can record whatever by holding it. So there's space for the battery handle here too. So good. It's been good. I like the quality of the camera, and also the app. You can edit your videos on the app instead of bringing it out and taking it to CapCut, because when I tried to download my videos to my phone, I had issues because it kept crying space. Then I realized I could actually edit my videos on the app, and yeah, so that works too. It's really good. It's so tiny. I love the size. It's a really good video camera, honestly, for the size and everything. I've still not figured out the pictures aspect of it, but I would, as soon as I do that, I'll start taking pictures with it. Thank you guys for watching. So please do like, share and subscribe to this channel, as I will be posting many more videos from now on. Okay, bye.